ago. I welcome you to today's episode of Ever Powerful Proverbs, and in this episode I will try my possible best to translate some into the English language for my followers who do not understand the Ever language to also benefit from our wonderful Proverbs. Mado is on viva Victorio la pleno palava egbe Lododowo no so strong. Lagba no so strong la ma aza English gba ada yo Lododowo adrawo koma la ba amagado nglang nam ba yo jiba yo as no si o mamala koma ayata egba majabagba ada Lododowo koma eta mi agada egba no so strong ga kama da kuku na subscribe na like video na ashek la amagado apa. So the first proverb that we are looking at today, Lododowo banto sinomia nukulam doa baglomba aloleve mowave do o. Aloleve mowave do o. And literally we can say the hands are two, but does not do what two person can do. We have two hands, but they cannot do what two can do at a time. And what this proverb is teaching us is patience, to be patient, to have patience. Like life is in session, so there is no haste in life. There is no need for you to rush anything in this life. So this proverb is teaching us that though we have two hands, both of them cannot multitask at a go. Togbaba alo vele miashi gaka matenu awo avedo o alo leve mowa avedo o Lododowo ya mia piambe mia ahojigbode la agbemo be nushanu si mia ola yanya ba alaba edenava afi denava yata mia gachi jimadi la nana kanu ka Lododowo evelia sinomia la nukudwa agbaglomba alifodidi magbea apanu o alo alifodidi magbea dunu o. And literally this means there is no longer road that bypasses a house or a town. There is no longer road or no longer path that bypasses a house. No matter how long a path or a road is, it can never bypass a town or a house. And what is this proverb teaching us? It's teaching us that there is an end to everything in this life. Every predicament, any situation that you find yourself in, there is an end to it. One day you surely get home. One day you surely reach that dream destination that you've been dreaming of. You surely get to that freedom that you always seek. So no matter how long it takes, you surely make it. So don't be discouraged. Remember the third proverb, Lododowo etolia sinomia la nukudwa ebe koklovi mokua ato o. Koklovi mokua ato o. And literally it means small cock can never crow. Small cock can never crow. Koklovi mokua ato. And the lesson that we can pick out from this proverb is there is right time for everything, or there is time for everyone to shine. There is time for everyone to shine. So when it's your time, it will be so easy for you to do. No so strong simia strong la Lododowo siamala koklovi mokuato nyebe lina no shianu nyi to alina no shianu na yi madola makpofo afi no sijem na la wasu ashio yatalaba miaga donugona afugao miaga trejojo na afugao yo ta Lododowo enelia sinu miala no kudwa gbaglomba koklozi madua la gbaji o. Koklozi madua la gbaji o asiekwa. And literally this means an egg does not dance on a rock, or an egg can never dance on a rock. Maybe you want to break, no? And the lesson that we can pick from this proverb is not everywhere or everyone is safe to be with or to play with. Not everything that they joke, not everything that one can joke with. There are some places you need to get serious. There are some places that you can play. There are some places you have to be serious in life. No si Lododowo si anyafia manya ba manya amasiama alo teƒe sia teƒe eye nyo be woafele eya ta ne vevie dodo hia la mia gawɔ ƒome o nenema blibla bro ne vevie dodo hia la mi gawɔ ƒome o eya ta koklozi matenu aɖu le ekpedzi o eye Lododo atɔ̃lia sinu miale no kuɖo le egba ƒe nusɔsrɔ̃ma egbegblɔ be kpeɖala mefa nake ƒe avi o. Kpeɖala mefa nake ƒe avi o. And literally it means he who cooks a stone does not cry for firewood. He who is cooking a stone can never cry for a firewood. And the lesson that we can pick in this proverb is nothing can shock you if you plan well. There is nothing in this world that can shock you if you've done your homework, you did your homework well. When you plan well, there is nothing that will surprise you. Remember, failing to plan is planning to fail. So we have to plan always so that there is nothing that will take us by shock. I tell about you, but no rock time mia awododo be nenu jojo ado jola o ma ga fanya mi o nana mai eto global amasi kpedam la mo fa na kefe avi o kpedala mo fa na kefe avi o la bon to nya be kpedame la ekpe ma te bibi ga o katan yo e ta ma la be na ga fa na kefe avi o ya ro kuna no na ka chuchunda mo ana chuchunda mo yo madakuku na subscribe na ma video na share plan mo gede na kpere nya YouTube ya van la noti be wa ade amagado ba akpe Lododo adanlia sinomia la no kudo agbaglon be na ajanla fodila mokpo anyala o na ajanla fodila mokpo anyala o. And literally this means when the soap get dirty it does not see he who wash it. When the soap get dirty, he doesn't see the one to wash it. And the lesson that we can pick from this proverb means not every time that a helper or someone who used to help, when he gets in need, will seek help and get it. Someone who mostly help, it is very difficult for such a person to get help when he needs it more. So na ajana fodila mokwa anyala o gake na avo efodia o wa kwa janle akonyi yo eta Lododo andrelia sinumia no kudo la gba kwa no sostroma ala gbogbon na ati da amalu hekola ho de o kanala ama na ati da amalu hekola ho de o kanala ama aye Lododo sia mia atenu agbela English gbamaba when a flourishing tree withered, the birds do leave it. When a flourishing tree, a tree that is doing well, is greenish, is bearing fruit, withered, go dry, all the birds do leave it. And the lesson that we can pick from this proverb is when you have, you attract more friends. When you are having, when you are doing well in life, more people get closer to you. But when things are not working for you, when things are down for you, that is why you're going to see your real life. So wealth attracts friends. When you have more people come to you. But when trouble comes, when the predicament comes, then that you know who truly loves you. So you got to be careful when you're doing well and people are coming. You have to be mindful of that. Talabanya jai no anyaba nu jijana mi ya mo so gbode mi anu la labanya nya be nanu jijana me a ho so agbo lon la o so agbo ayata ajba mi ajai aye Lododo anyilia sinanya mamne tono je mi ala no kuro la agba pono ke kama la gbaglomba na atikula atitai tona na atikula atitai tona alo atitai jana. And literally it means when a tree dies, its head that germinates. It's the head that germinates. When a tree died, it's the head that germinates. When a tree dies or withered, it's the head that germinates. Okay, I thank you for listening to this wonderful episode, and please kindly subscribe to my channel. I really need your subscription on my channel because we have a lot of things to do and I need your support in this aspect. So please kindly like, share and comment. And also, if you see that there is a better way of explaining or I can translate this, please let me know at the comment section. We are all learning here. Thank you. See you in another powerful episode.